Hey guys, this is Andy the Beard Practitioner, and today I am doing a top 2020 video. Hey guys, this is Andy again, and welcome back to another wonderful review of some companies that I want to throw out there. This is a top of the top video for all of you going into 2021. Today is an awesome day and I am excited to bring this to you. So a lot of people ask me, what are your top companies? And I want to throw some down for you. I've kind of given you guys some hints, some videos over the last year that just show what I'm really into, what companies I'm really into. But I wanted to kind of share a top video and with different categories so that I can get you guys something. So looking into 2021, look at these companies as making a big impact going forward. So my first company, which I have just bought some more stuff, but I wanted to give best food scent butter ever, in my opinion. I've had some other ones, but this one has taken the cake for me, and that is Lemon Delight from Chesapeake Beard Co. Amazing poured butter, and it smells like pure heaven. Absolutely pure heaven. So I definitely suggest anybody getting in on Chesapeake Beard Company. I just bought some new products I'll be reviewing soon, but definitely get on that Lemon Delight. Totally one of the best food smelling scents I've ever had. Now, to a company that I think all around is very solid, and I have looked forward to buying all of his stuff for the last, probably the last year, and that is Hanyaker. You cannot go wrong with Hanyaker. His bombs are amazing, his butters are simply amazing, and his scent profiles are absolutely amazing. I've given a couple. He does some wonderful scents around the fall, and he also did Snowblind for Christmas. But then his also regular lineup outside of his limited editions are just absolutely amazing. I have tried out his Zenland and his North Country. I have memoirs coming out to me. I am so excited about what Adam is doing. Get on. Lovely Hanyaker. Amazing oils, amazing butters, amazing products. He also has an amazing co-wash and beard wash, so definitely check him out. One of my favorite cologne companies this year, I had not tried before, and I talked to Mohammed, and I'm going to tell you one of the best presentations as well, but that is Fink's Beard. Cologne he has down. I say that this is a cologne that you put in your beard. Just amazing scents. I love and dig his smolder. I also have talked about his other scents. His Langfroquois is an amazing scent. If you're into just colognes, he has so many good ones, and the feel and beard on these is absolutely amazing. And he came out with a butter earlier this year that I'm going to be testing and look for a review on that. Another company that I have seen around and had the opportunity to try out multiple sets of his products. I dig his hair clay. I dig his products overall. One of the best beard product labels ever. I mean, if you take a look at this is he puts this piece of wood on it, and then the scents and the butters, absolutely amazing. I got a lot of woodsy stuff from him, but they all are kind of cologne-esque. Absolutely love it. If you look at the bottles, the attention to detail from Kuhn is absolutely amazing. Get in on Kuhn, one of my top companies this year, and just absolutely love their scents. For a smaller company, I have two really kind of runner-up in the smaller company, just like kind of newish and kind of a smaller company. And that is 10th Kingdom BC. Absolutely one of my favorite, hands down, owners as well as beard company products. Absolutely love her scents. I mean, she has some really amazing scents, and she is leveling up with how many she's releasing. Next year, I know that she's going to be throwing out some more. So it's Mandy from 10th Kingdom BC. Absolutely amazing products for a small company. Look forward to seeing more from her. Another small company that I really dig is High Mountain Sage. Now, people have seen my live streams with him. He is absolutely one of my favorite dudes, period. I do a podcast with him, so yes, I am a little biased. But, however, I do think that if you're looking for an all-essential company, all essential oils, natural, completely good, and I think one of his balm is like a butter to me. It's one of those hybrid. I absolutely love this. He is going to come out with a butter in 2021, but I don't know how you beat this balm. It's super, super good. And I love treatment, and I love the essential oil market, so I'm all about those type of things. So go check out High Mountain Sage, one of my top small companies that I saw this year. Now, we're going to go back a little bit into one of some of my favorite bigger companies that in 2020 they've gotten much bigger. So these are very hard, so I'm not going to give you like hey, these are the top 5. These are my top companies I will continue to buy from in 2021, and I will continue to be loyal to them because I love them. They are awesome companies. First one I will give you is Barbu. Barbu is absolutely amazing company. I love Abraham, and I love what he's doing. His scents are strong, and what he does behind the scenes to make these profiles to come out with is such an artistic manner of dealing with it. I absolutely dig that. So absolutely one of the best coming out. Another company that I absolutely love getting a hold of this year for 2020 was Chronic Beard. Holy guacamole. One of the best butters, smooth, wonderful. And then again, the hemp oil in this agrees with my beard. I love hemp oil. Absolutely amazing. Totally dig what he's doing. Another newcomer, but yet still kind of making a huge rise, I think, is Bearded Mac. You cannot go wrong with Bearded Mac. Now, Chris is doing some amazing stuff. He's also a Zony, so I gotta support the Zonies. He's an awesome guy. I absolutely love him. Super nice guy, but his products are superior. Just really good scents. Just so good, and he's using those exotic oils. So he's using exotic nut oils and butters, and I think they feel so good, and it's refreshing to see a company that's pushing over and doing some new things with some new carriers and new different types of butters. Absolutely love his stuff. Go check him out for sure. Now, another company that if you can't tell, I'm absolutely in love with is Iowa Beard Co. I love them. I buy their products. I buy their gear. Justin is just hitting it on all cylinders for me. And this butter is one of the major things that I love, as well as his oil. But I'll tell you, I love Iowa Beard Co. Just absolutely amazing. Now, another one that I really thought was really cool this year was Jay is really doing a really good job. So Beard Gents, if you have not had a chance to go check out Beard Gents, he has some amazing scents. And what I really like about him is his scents are awesome, but they also are sourced locally, and they also have different, each one of his butters and his oils are a little different to train your beard. I love that concept, and my beard absolutely loves what he's doing. So get in with his scents, amazing. He releases a little bit slower than some, but I have really enjoyed what he has released. Totally get in on it. Another company that I've really gotten into this year was Miners. Miners Beard Co. They have a CBD line now. They have so many scents that's absolutely mind-blowing. You can definitely get something for you by checking them out. Absolutely good feeling beard. Their butters are great. Their scents are amazing. And I've actually really enjoyed watching their Mungie line stuff go out. The Mungie lives were some of my favorite live streams this year with my friend Joe and Johnny. Absolutely loved it, and I love what they're doing over there. Kudos to them. Now, I think that gets me down to just really one awesome company that I've absolutely gotten to love the owner as well as his products, and that is Chesapeake Beard Co. like just an amazing guy. But then you also throw in that he's doing amazing things. I have a couple of his scent of the months here, and this is what I love. So this was my first one of my first introductions to his scent of the month, and this is his Ginger Raz. And you smell it, and you're like, it's absolutely amazing. And you throw that vitality in there. This vitality is one of the best butters, if not the best butter that's out there right now. It's just hands down. There's no questions. Amazing products. But what I really liked is how he went on a limb. So this is 1985. This is what I really love about good creative owners, is the fact that he was able to make 2 scents. So this is the butter, this in Vitality again. And then this is the oil. This one smells like PB&J, and this one smells like Big Red the soda. And you put them together and you're just like, oh, you feel like that warm glow of I found something amazing. Absolutely dig what Chesapeake's doing, and in 2021 he's continuing his Scent of the Month line with pop culture lineup, and I have subscribed. I normally do not subscribe to anything like this because of the fact that I have so many other companies I want to try, but for his stuff I highly suggest, and that's what I'm doing, subscribe to his Scent of the Month. Absolutely phenomenal. So going in 2021, I'm going to be trying more Black Rebel. Another company that I'm going to be trying out is Bearded Coast. Scott absolutely is hands down kicking it. Another guy that I definitely want to give you a shout out is Copper John's. Super good products, and I'm going to be doing, I want to put out a review before I actually am able to say it's a top, but it is one of the top companies. So guys, just to wrap this all up, I hope you guys have an excellent new year, and I hope that 2021 is amazing for you. And you know what? It's all about what you do to make it amazing. Hope your 2021 is so much better than 2020. So you have an amazing day, and Happy New Year. Take care.